Hello and welcome to my first video. I am Adventure with a Swede, and today we're going to make corn bombs, or as we call them in Sweden, majsbomber. This is a bait that we're gonna use to catch roach in traps and other bait fish for pike. This is my first video, as I said, and I'm filming on my phone, because I don't have a camera, because I am a sheep. Fuck. Well, we will begin by adding corn. And I'm gonna add these two to that one. So, I'll be back when I have added them in. We have our 3 cans of corn. Now we're gonna add in some light syrup, and I don't really have a recipe, so I just gonna add in how much I want. You can do this also by following what I'm doing or googling yourself, but sometimes just guessing can give a great deal of results. Sometimes good results, sometimes bad results. I have done this a couple of times, so I know almost how much I'm gonna need. That's our light syrup. Now we're gonna add in some vanilla sugar. Yeah, maybe that's enough. And then we're gonna add some powdered sugar. The roach, wait, you want it sweet because the roach like it sweet. So make it sweet, make it smell like candy in your kitchen. What do you think? Yeah, a little bit more. It can't hurt. I'm gonna make a bunch of bait today. And then, last but not least, in this little bag right here, we have oats. The original bag broke, so get out of your bag. So we put in a plastic bag and another bag. And this is important, because you need it to thicken up. Also this, you can use it for other kind of fishing. So if you need it to be thick, add more oats. If it's you use it in a stream. If you use it in a lake, you can make it a bit looser, so it does not fall apart. No, sorry. If you use it in a lake, you can have it to be a little bit more loose, so it will fall apart more. If you use it in a stream, you want it harder, so not really fall apart so much. Now I'm gonna take my trusty stick. I've used this before, and I will try to mix this while filming. Let's see how that goes. There you can see the corn again. And I'm gonna need to add water. You also need to add water if you do this. But if you mix it up a little first, you will have a nice spread from the beginning. When I make my videos, I will probably film them on the phone, because I don't have the money to buy a good camera. And a phone is much easier to carry around with you than a big camera. Now that's mixed together. Now I'm gonna add some water. Excuse me for it's dirty here. I have not had time to clean. And some water. Shut off. Let's see if I will need some more water. I probably will need some more water. Or maybe not. We'll have to see. After we have mixed this thoroughly together with our trusty stick, we're gonna let it sit for a while. So the oats can absorb the water and thicken up. And then we're going to go back, because I will shut this off, because this will take some minutes to thicken up. So I will shut the camera off, and after that I will prep some plastic bags to put them inside, because I think I need some more oats. Take a handful. As I said in the beginning, you never know how it exactly gonna turn out, but you're starting to see it looks like vomit actually, but you can eat it if you want. It's just syrup, vanilla sugar, and corn mixed in a bucket. Yeah, I think we will let that sit for a while, and I will prep some plastic bags and let this thicken up. I'm sorry if I'm not good at filming. This is my first time filming a video, so I hope you have patience with it. I will try to get better, and when I come back I will tell you about what content I'm gonna release on my channel. Thank you for watching this long. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I've let it sit. I don't really know how long I did let it sit, but now it's have been thickened up. I have my plastic bags, and I'm gonna put my phone right there, and I will pack some balls of this into the bags, and I will tell you what kind of videos I will be doing. I don't know if you can see me. Remember, you're on my phone, so if this turns out bad, I will still upload it. So this channel will be focusing on going fishing, going outdoors, and following me on adventures. So say I go to a hockey match as a spectator, I will vlog that and post it. Do I go and do some urban exploring? I will record it and load up to you guys. And now if anyone will watch this, you will probably say, why don't you use gloves? I don't want to. You can use your hands. Just make a ball that I think is perfect and put in a bag. And I will be doing this to all of this. So yeah, I will not be uploading regularly. I don't really feel like going out every day, every week to film a video when I'm not big. So if I get a lot of viewers and subscribers, I will start releasing videos as much as I can. But since I'm not big right now, and I'm filming on my phone, I guess I won't be getting so many subscribers and so many views. But when, I'll tell you when, or if I get big on YouTube, I will start to upload more often. Give me a sec. I need to take out a new bag. I didn't prep that. I'm stupid. There we have almost clean hands. One bag done. It's 4 in 1. They are kinda loose, more than I like it to be, but I take it. I could have added some flour to thicken it up more, but since I probably, sorry, English is not my first language. I'm a Swedish man, and I can open now. And as I said, English is not my first language, so if I pronounce stuff wrong, I hope you will be patient with me. I try my best, but as you know, if a language isn't your first language, it will be some moments where you say stuff wrong. I mean, like, as you can see, I speak kinda good English, but of course I can be better. And I will not record me filling up all these bags. That would be insanely boring for you guys. So when I'm done, I will record it again, record how many bags I got and tell you. And if you do decide to subscribe to me and follow me for my content, I appreciate it. When this video gets up, I hope you leave a like, subscribe, and I will also tell you how many bags I managed to fill up, with 4 in each bag. Jesus, I should have added some flour. Well, that's a lesson for next time. I didn't think this would be this soggy. So it is what it is. If you want it more hard, add flour or add more oats. Yeah. That's... Sorry, one moment, I will be back to you guys. We'll have to see how many we get out. We have 2 bags, total 8 balls right now. And we have a bit more to go. Don't forget to subscribe and like and follow me on my next adventure and my next video. See you guys.